Very good morning, dear guys. Welcome to the class. Today we are going to begin the another one story that is in the kingdom of fools. Okay, in the kingdom of fools. This is the third one story prescribed in your syllabus. This story has been written by A.K. Ramanujan. Okay, A.K. Ramanujan, the Indian writer. So dear, here first of all understand the characters of the story. Okay, so here four characters are there. Okay, there are four main characters. The first one is a guru. Okay, a guru. Okay, a guru is there who has the what you can say vision, who had a blaze of vision that he could see what would happen in the future. Okay, and very learned and blazed person he was. Who? A guru, or the guru we can say here. You can say the guru. A guru is there. Okay, then second one is disciple. Okay, that is called शिष्य. Okay, जिसे हम शिष्य कहते हैं. Okay, शिष्य, as I told you, it is the disciple. Okay, disciple is also there. So disciple of the guru. Okay, ये disciple जो है वो कौन है? The शिष्य, disciple of guru, the follower again, another word we can say. Okay, so here these two characters are again more important. Here guru is the person who could see in the future and can understand what would happen, or can guess promptly what would happen next. So what is there? Guru is the person who saved the life of disciple. He is a disciple. Okay, another character is there, disciple who did not obey his guru. Okay, when they entered to a kingdom of a king. Okay, a fool king we can say. एक मूर्ख king होता है, उसके kingdom में जब enter करते हैं, so that time the disciple was fascinated to see or to find that everything cost there a duddu only. Yes, means there was that thing, and again some strange things were there which attracted disciple, so that that's why he decided to stay there for long time or for long. But what would happen there, we will see. At last what happened, he was caught in a difficulty, and there guru came and saved his life. Okay, so these are the two characters here, guru and disciple. Then again third one, which is also the most important character here, the king. Okay, the king of the kingdom. Okay, the kingdom about what the story is. The king is there of that kingdom, and the most important about this king is that he was a fool, मूर्ख. Yes, मूर्खों का राजा, कि कभी अगर तुमने हिंदियों में कहानी सुनी होगी. So that is about this. Yes, this king who was fool, and suddenly he and his minister. The fourth one important character is the minister. Okay, minister. So minister and the king both are fools, and they decided to change the entire routine of that kingdom, and due to that they transferred, or they shifted the day into night and night into day, and asked the subject of that kingdom to comply this, the order of the king. Otherwise, if they found not following the order of the king, they would be hanged. The order was issued by the king and the minister. Means day became night and night became day. Yes, the work they do in day, they had to do in night, that means at night, and the work they do at night, that means of sleeping, they had to do it in day. So the scenario was completely changed, which was very much strange for guru and a disciple when they entered in that city. Okay, so here you will find that these two characters are full, yes, murk, and here guru and disciple. Actually here guru is the wisest person here in this story, who saved not only his life but also his disciples, and taught a lesson to the king and minister. Yes, so we will see how the guru saved his life, and in place of them, king and minister were hanged. King and minister were hanged. So this is the story that is about these four people: guru, disciple, king and minister. So here king and minister were the authorities of that kingdom where the whole story revolves around or took place. Okay, this whole story took place in the kingdom of this king. These two guru and disciples are foreigner. Okay, are foreigner who entered there. Okay, वे बाहर के हैं, strange व्यक्ति है जो इस kingdom में आते हैं. And then guru, who was wise person, decided to leave the place and left. But disciple, who was fascinated by the what you can say, the dudu, means the cost which was there, or the food he was getting in cheap. Okay, means all the food and everything was cheap there, so it fascinated disciple, who decided to stay there. Then let's see what happens there. Okay, so these are the four characters: guru, disciple, king and minister. Do write these characters. Then we will see the plot, the story. What is the story here in this story? Okay, so here you will find plot. Okay, plot. So here you will find there is a king. There is a king and his minister. Okay, they decided to change the day into night and night into day. They decided, and that's why they are called here the kingdom, or that's why they are called here fools, and the kingdom is called here the kingdom of fools. Okay, kingdom of fools means every person in that kingdom was fool. Okay, but actually they were not fool. The subject was not fool, but they had to follow the order given by the king and his minister. Okay, then what happens there? There is entry of the guru and his disciple. Okay, so let's see what happens there. Then here the king and minister ordered or issued an order that the people of that kingdom had to work whole night. Yes, had to work whole night and sleep during the day. The order was issued. Another thing was there which was very strange, and that was what? Everything, whatever you purchase, that would cost only a dudu. It is a kind of currency. Okay, so everything would cost only a dudu. So these were the strange things about the kingdom. Okay, and actually these were the orders issued by the king and his minister. And really these things are the symptoms, yes, symptoms of a fool. एक fool के ये symptoms है, मूर्ख के ये symptoms है, and that they did, and the subject were helpless, and that's why they comply, means they followed the order accordingly. They were sleeping at during the day, working at night. Even the animals like cows, buffaloes, and even other pet animals, they also became habitual to that pattern. Even animals were sleeping during the day and working at night. Even animals too. The shops were closed during the day, and at night they were open. So everyone of that kingdom following the order. Yes, everyone of that kingdom was following the order issued by the king. Yes, why? Because they were threatened. If they found not following the order, they would be hanged. The order was issued, and that's why. Then what happened one day? A guru and his disciple entered in that kingdom, and they found everything was strange. No one was there in the streets. It was really a strange for them. They found no one during the day in the street. So they were amazed to see that, they were shocked to see that. But when it was evening, the activities around the city began. Shops were opened, people got to do their work. Yes, so which was very strange for them. And there what happened, when they asked for food, so it cost only a duddu. Yes, means very cheap. Everything there was cheap. So what happened there? The disciple was fascinated to see all those, to find all those, and then he decided to stay back there. Yes, but the guru warned him not to stay there, as he found everything was strange there. So there he guessed what would next happen. No one could guess. There he warned, what would next happen to you? Nobody can tell. He warned his disciple. But disciple was not ready to listen him. He stayed there. Guru left. Then what happened? Look at there. Again, some characters are there that I haven't mentioned. There is bricklayer, a dancer, yes, then a businessman is there also, Miss Merchant is also there, a thief's brother is also there, Miss many characters are there, but all these characters are minor characters. Okay, all these are minor characters. So let's make the list of minor characters here. Okay, so let's make the list of minor characters, okay, that we haven't made. Just we have made the list of main characters. Now some minor characters are also there. Okay, which are these minor characters? First one is the merchant. Okay, the merchant is there. Who is that merchant? Merchant is the person whose house collapsed on a thief, and due to what? The thief was died. Yes, the thief was died when the thief with his brother broke into his house. Okay, for the purpose of robbing him, and the thieves robbed the merchant, and while going out, the building or the wall of that house collapsed on him, fell on him, and due to that the thief died. Okay, due to that the thief died on the spot. So there, what happened there? The thief's brother went to the king for the justice. He asked the king for justice to get get compensate, or to he asked for the compensate, okay, that his brother died due to the wall fell on him, and that wall was of merchant. So here look at that, how the kingdom was full of fools. Here the thief who broke into the merchant's house, yes, actually they broke the wall of that house, and due to that the wall fell on him and he died. Yes, but here the fool's brother went to the king for justice, and look at that, the king, अब ये तो मूर्खता ही था कि उनकी गलती की वजह से दीवार गिरी और उससे वो मरे, बट हियर उसका भाई किंग के पास जाता है फॉर जस्टिस. हाउ फुल ही इज. यस, सो देयर वी कैन से हियर द टाइटल इज गिवन द किंगडम ऑफ फूल्स. रियली द होल किंगडम, द पीपल वर फूल. सो हियर नेक्स्ट व्हाट हैपन, द किंग. अब यहां देखो किंग ने क्या करना चाहिए. एक्चुअली देयर इज नो फॉल्ट ऑफ द मर्चेंट. यस, देयर इज द कंप्लीट फॉल्ट ऑफ दैट thief. But still here the king, who himself was a fool, he asked the merchant, or he called for the merchant को बुलाता है, and then ask him, why you made your house wall weak, that it fell on him and he died, so you had to be hanged for this crime. Means here the king उस मर्चेंट को गुनहगार समझता है, नॉट टू द थीप. सो हाउ फुल ही इज. यस, एंड देन देयर द मर्चेंट. अब उसमें भी मर्चेंट देखो क्या बोलता है, नो इट्स नॉट हिज फॉल्ट, इट इज एक्चुअली द फॉल्ट ऑफ ब्रिक लेयर हु मेड द वॉल. इस यहाँ फिर एक दूसरे कैरेक्टर की एंट्री होती है, ब्रिक लेयर. फर्स्टली द थीप, ओके, जिसने कंप्लेंट किया, जिसका भाई एक मर गया, एंड देन नाउ द मर्चेंट सेड नो इट्स नॉट of his fault, but actually it was the fault of the brick layer. Okay, bricklayer. Who is bricklayer? Who made the wall. Okay, who made the wall, the house of the merchant का जिसने घर बनाया था, उस ब्रिकलेयर की बात कर रहा है. यस, ब्रिकलेयर मिस्त्री जो घर बनाते हैं. सो देयर ही सेज इट वाज नॉट माय फॉल्ट, इट वाज द फॉल्ट ऑफ दैट ब्रिकलेयर हु मेड द वॉल. अब यहाँ भी मर्चेंट भी कितना मूर्ख कि चोरी करने वाले के ऊपर आरोप लगाने के बजाय वो बोलता है कि नहीं, मेरी गलती नहीं है, इट इज ऑफ ब्रिकलेयर. everyone in that kingdom was fool, everyone. So there then the king called for the bricklayer, and there the bricklayer said, or he gave explanation that no, while I was making the wall, what happened, there was a dancer girl who was coming and going, means she was doing to and fro many times. Yes, she did to and fro many times. Due to that, what happened, my attention was disturbed. Yes, my concentration was disturbed, and due to that the wall was weak. So there he said, no, it was not my fault, but it was the fault of that dancer girl who did many times, who did to and fro many times, which distracted me, and the result is that the wall was weak. So there the bricklayer, अब bricklayer भी यहाँ मूर्ख ही है कि जो बता रहा है कि नो ये मेरा फॉल्ट नहीं, एंड इट कुड नॉट हैपन. ओके, ये ऐसा हो नहीं सकता कि किसी के डिस्ट्रैक्शन से दीवार कमजोर बन जाए. बट हियर द ब्रिकलेयर ब्लेम्ड दैट इट वाज फॉल्ट ऑफ द डांसर गर्ल. ओके, dancer girl, another character. Then the dancer girl was called. Yes, now she was old lady. अब वो बूढ़ी हो चुकी थी. Yes, अब वो बूढ़ी हो चुकी थी. So there she said, yes, I remember. Miss, there she said, yes, she remembered that day when the bricklayer was making the wall, I did many times to and fro, but that was because of the jeweler. That was because of the jeweler. Jeweler made me to do to and fro many times. The jeweler. Yes, the jeweler to whom I have given, means he had given an order to make jewelry, but there that jeweler asked me to, means he compelled her to do to and fro many times. So there she said, it was not my fault, means it was not her fault, but actually it was the fault of that jeweler. Okay, so now the jeweler was called. Okay, jeweler. So there she said, no, it was not my fault, it was the fault of jeweler. Okay, so now the dancing girl this way cleared that it was not her fault, but it was of jeweler. Okay, that means goldsmith. Jeweler means goldsmith. Okay, here we can say instead of jeweler we should write down goldsmith. Okay, goldsmith, that means jeweler. Okay, सोनार, जिसे हम सोनार कहते हैं, goldsmith. So here there she said it was the fault of that goldsmith, that jeweler, who compelled me to do to and fro many times. Then the jeweler was called for. Yes, but when he heard, he hid himself, but he was found by the men of the king, and then he was brought there. Yes, he was brought in the court, and there the jeweler said, no, it was not my fault. Yes, I compelled that lady, that dancer girl, to come and go many times, but it was not because of me, but actually it was because of a merchant. Okay, because of a merchant, a wealthy merchant, we can say. Okay, a wealthy merchant. A wealthy merchant who asked me to make his jewelry immediately, complete his order fast. Why? Because there was a wedding ceremony at this merchant's house, and that's why the wealthy merchant asked him to complete his order first, and that's why the dancer girl was compelled to do to and fro many times. Yes, so there he said, I should not be hanged. So then this merchant, the wealthy merchant, should be hanged. So now this merchant was the grandfather. This merchant was the father. Okay. So this wealthy merchant, rich merchant was father. Okay, father of this merchant. Yes, so this wealthy merchant, this rich merchant was the father of the merchant who is alive now. But now this merchant is dead. So now the circle of justice came back to this merchant. Yes, who is alive now. So here this merchant says, yes, that wall was, whatever the thing were done, that were done by my father, not by me. So how could I be hanged? There he said, the order was given by my father, and that my father is dead now. Means his father was dead now. So there he said he should not be hanged. But the king said, no. As you inherited everything from your father, so the crime your father did, you inherited that too. जैसे तुमने अपने पापा से हर एक चीज इनहेरिट किए हो, प्रॉपर्टी से लेके, संपत्ति से लेके हर चीज, तो उनके किए हुए पाप भी तुम इनहेरिट करते हो. एंड दैट्स व्हाई यू मस्ट बी हैंग्ड. सो देयर ही गेव ऑर्डर एंड सेड, यस, अल्टीमेटली the justice came out. And there he said, this merchant is the guilty, so he must be hanged. he must be hanged. He gave order to his men to hang this person. Yes, so this way, these are the characters: merchant, bricklayer, dancer girl, goldsmith, and a wealthy merchant. A wealthy merchant, the father of the merchant who is alive now, or means who was alive then. So this is how the characters are there. Yes, so then plot, as we have seen. Yes, when the guru and disciple entered there, they found everything strange there, and that's why the guru warned his disciple to come with him. Yes, and said, what would next happen to your life, nobody can guess, no one can tell. Yes, no one could tell. He warned him, but the disciple decided to stay there. Then what happened? After some days, yes, after some days, what happened? The wall fell on a thief, he died. Then the brother of the thief went to the king, asked for the justice, and the whole scenario happened there. And at last, when the merchant was found guilty, as he inherited everything from his father, so he inherited the sins his father did. So with this equation there, the king decided to hang the merchant. Yes, then what happens next? Then the stake was made. The stake was made to hang him. Yes, but what happened? The stake which was made there to hang a merchant, it was a bit big than the merchant. It was not fit to him. So the king said, yes, as it was not fit to him, so find another person. He ordered his men to find another person who would fit to the stake. Look at that, how full he was. मतलब जो फांसी का फंदा इसके लिए बनाया गया वो उसको ढीला हो रहा है, इसीलिए वो कहता है कि कोई और आदमी देखो जो उसको फिट हो सके. What kind of justice it is, or what kind of king he is, and that's why the title is given there, in the kingdom of fools. Means the whole kingdom was full of fools. Means the kingdom was full of fools. पूरे मूर्ख लोगों से भरा हुआ वो किंगडम था. Then what happened? The men went or wandered here and there in search of such a fat person who could fit to the stake. And at last what happened there? They found the disciple. Okay, look at there now. The circle came to the disciple. Okay. Now this came to the disciple. Okay, disciple. What happened to disciple? Look at there. What happens next? Here the now circle came to the disciple here. Okay, so disciple who made him fat by feeding himself, as everything would cost a duddu only. He was living their luxurious life. Yes, having everything what he wanted, and that way he became bloated, or he became very fat. And the stake which was made, it was fitted, means it was really fit to the disciple. Yes, fit to disciple. And that's why the king's men, they took him to the stake to hang him. Yes, as he was really, means the stake was really fit to him. So then while he was about to hang, what happened there? He remembered the words of his guru, what he said to him, how he warned him, what would next happen to your life, nobody could tell. He remembered the words of his guru. Yes, so and then he requested his guru to save his life. And as I told you, the guru had such vision and some magical power. He appeared there at once. वो वहाँ तुरंत पहुँच जाता है. And now he tried to save the life of his disciple. So how he saved, how that guru saved the life of his disciple, we will see in the story. Got it? This is all about, or a brief introduction of the story, and that story we will deal in our next video lecture line by line. Okay, so guys, see you soon. Bye bye. Keep watching the videos and enjoy the class. Bye bye.